What is up, my LS Crazy Amigos? It's your boy Terry, speaking from the garage shop once again. Here to offer you some more big bang for the buck product and Trailblazer info. Yeah, that's right. Y'all guys know what's up. You know, I'm gonna do this Trailblazer. I'm freshening it up, you know, tweaking it out and everything like that. I'm doing some upgrades to it. And you're probably saying to yourself, Terry, why is the bumper off your car? I'm gonna tell you why the bumper's off my car. All right. Right now, I'm getting ready to upgrade my headlights, driving lights to LEDs. So right now, we're gonna concentrate on just the driving lights, okay? I took the bumper off for demonstration purposes so you can see how to remove the driving fog lights off your Trailblazer SS. Come with me and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Let's go. Okay, this is the bumper, the inside of the bumper of the Trailblazer SS. Now, to remove this unit, which was right here, and it goes like this, goes like that. To remove your driving lights, what you got is you got these little push pins. You remember these push pins? Where, let's see, you know, you get a screwdriver in between here and you push it out a little bit, and then you grab it with like a plier maybe. There you go. Like that. And then you can just pull it out. See what I mean? So that's the first thing. All right. So you get that out, right? And then you probably have to get a socket to get this out. Get this bolt out. And you pull the spring out, and out it comes. So I was about to put the LED bulb in the housing, but then I looked at this bulb, this lens, and I thought to myself, look at this thing. You know, if you have a Trailblazer SS and it got some miles on it, 9 times out of 10 you're gonna see it looking like this, the driving lights, the fog lights, all cloudy and like nasty looking, you know, funky, nasty. So what I did was a little bit of sandpaper and about 20 minutes worth of work, got it to where it looked like out the factory. Now, if you were to replace these lenses, you can't buy the lenses from what I can see. Correct me if I'm wrong. I could not find lens replacements, but I did find housing and lens replacements, and they go for $300 for a set, 148, 120, somewhere around there. So you're gonna pay between $250, $300 for 2. So take the 20 minutes and save 300 bucks. I'm gonna show you what's up. First thing, you got 2 tabs, one on each side, that holds the retainment clip of the lens. All right, so you pry it off. Oh, it came off easier than I thought. All right. Ooh, the lens popped right out. Look at that. Look right there. See that? And that's the lens. Look at that. All right, now usually the lens don't pop out that easy. You have, on the back of this lens, you have some type of silicone. Just remove it. And usually what you're gonna have to do is you probably have to take an X-Acto knife or either a razor blade and go across it, go around it. If the lens don't pop out, just keep on going around it, just keep on going around, just keep on going around, like around the edge right there between the housing and the plastic lens. And eventually it'll just pop right out. So just to give you a comparison, this is the old one that I just popped out, and this is the one that I did. See the difference? Let's get to work. First thing, hit it with some 180 sandpaper. Now you'll notice the longer you sand, it'll start getting smooth to the touch, and that's what you want. From 180 to 400. From 400 to 600. From 600 to 1,000. From 1,000 to 1,500. 1,500 to 2,000. Yeah. And finally, 2,000 to 2,500. At this point, you could go another step if you want. Remember, the more sanding you do, the better the results. Some people might want to put a coat of clear on this at this point, but I don't think that's necessary. But at this time, I'm going to touch it with a little bit of polishing compound, cigarette remover. A nice clean towel to Wipe it all off. There you go. Nice, nice. And like I said, beat spending $300 for a set of housings and lens. Now I'm going to put this back together. You're going to need some clear silicone. Check it out. And before you install, make sure you clean out all that nasty, nasty bulb funk. Ah! Silicone along the edges. Make sure the inside of the lens is really, really clean. Dust-free, lint-free. And drop it right in there. A little pressure, under pressure. Under pressure. Under pressure. All right. And put the retainment ring back on. I think it only goes one way. Could be wrong. Let's see. There it is, locked. There it is, locked. That's what's up. It's 20 minutes worth of work. Remember the clip? All right. Squeeze it together. Put it in the hole like so. Push it in. Same with this. That's locked. There you go. All right. Now you got your spring. Where is it? There it is. Spring again. Oh, everybody knows it's spring again. Sandwiches in between these two, like this. That's like that. And the nut goes through it. Or should I say the bolt? Like so. And this is how you adjust the height to raise the beam of the light or lower it. Check out how clear those driving lights are. Before they were white, now look at them. They're clear. A little elbow grease and some sandpaper, a little bit of wax, some sealant. You can have your driving lights on your Trailblazer SS looking like new. And they're so bright, they're so bright. And not to mention the LEDs on there, you know, so it's a new look for this car because it makes the car look like, it makes the front end of the car look totally different, you know, because you don't have those nasty looking white lights. I thought I had to deal with them, but now we know that we don't have to. We can clean them up, shine them up, and take it out like that. But I'm looking at the clock on the wall, or should I say ceiling, time for me to head on off. But listen, I want to say thank you guys again. Solid, you know, for all the questions, the comments, the love, everything, you know, and I just want to say thank you again. And until the next time we meet, please, always, as always, please be easy, and I'll catch you guys real soon. Take care.